Hello friends, this is Sarita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Let's Signing Education. Friends, this is now pandemic situation like corona. Corona already fearing, already making us scared to corona because it's very dangerous. It's not dangerous, but it's sometimes some kind of danger because we have lack of confidence. We felt like it's very dangerous. So that's why our oxygen level decreasing, so we have to do work. We have to do work. What we have to take some care of us, like take some immune food like lemon, green vegetable, groundnut, like these, like vitamin C, in which food we have to take this. And another one thing is we have to drink in properly, means how much our body needed, that much we have to drink. And another one thing, we have to do some exercise regularly. So we don't need to care about this corona because it's not that much dangerous, but we have to be peaceful, be calm to every time. Don't means before we have nothing, we have to take care of our immune system. We have to grow it by intake of some foods like green vegetable, water, and juice, and pineapple juice, like these are the vitamin C. So we have to do this. And other thing is we have to do exercise in the morning regularly because it's always making us to fight against any kind of disease like cold, like fever, like anything. And another one thing, if we feel scared, then we cannot fight against this virus because it's a virus that will decrease our breathing power, decrease our oxygen level. Also we have to stay calm. If we get corona, then we have to stay calm and think that I will get recovery very soon. So I am a proud, I am a brave girl, or I must get recovery in this corona. So always make yourself cheerful and engage yourself in some work so that you cannot worry about that corona. And that's by this way you can grow your oxygen power. And means we have a system that is our breathing. If we felt nervous in our internal feelings, then we get decrease our breathing system. By this way we must be get harmful by the corona. So we should motivate ourselves, we should work, we should be active, always try to do some work and be active and not worry about this corona. That is not, that is a common fever, viral fever, so we don't care about it. But just we do what, we take some precaution, like we, if we feel that we I have a corona, that means we have to take isolation to us. Another one thing is we, when we go out, we have to use mask. That is not sufficient because mask, we always wearing mask. Inside the mask it's okay, but the outer cover is affected by the virus. So we always frequently using our mask and touching the mask of outside, and that by this we also getting affected. So we don't means we cannot say that if I will wear a mask, that means I am safe. No, I am not safe. So but it's need to take mask regularly, as well as sanitizer also, and drink more because it's summer season. And we should always be immune system, we always try to grow our immune system, by which we must be take care of us, as well as we can take care of our family and our surrounding also. So if you feel that you are suffering this situation, so first you boost your mind, you just make yourself motivate that you are the one, you are a great one, and you can recover from this virus. That virus is not that much biggest, and you are the biggest more than that virus. So you always take motivate yourself that you are the biggest one, and you definitely get recover from this virus. So take always make yourself always cheerful and calmly handle this virus. It's not very dangerous. So just boost your motivation, just boost your thought and make yourself recovery soon. Thank you.